Hey, good morning. This is Dr. Yogendra Kumar Karki, Secretary, Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development, Government of Nepal. Broadly, Nepal can be divided into three ecological zones, namely Tarai, mid hills, and high hills. There are more than 35 forest types and 118 ecosystems, which have been classified on the basis of altitude, climatic conditions, and vegetation types. The mountain ecosystem Nepal comprises a high number of endemic species occurring in subalpine and alpine zones. Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development, Government of Nepal has developed strategic program and plans to achieve the sustainable development goals. And it needs a radical transformation on our agricultural and food systems. It is obvious that organic agriculture and agroecological provide an effective pathway for delivering on the 2030 agendas, providing multiple actions. The river basin and reservoir under the Hindu Kush Himalayan regions provides water to the billions of people and their lives. It is ecosystem, the livelihoods of millions of the people. Over the last few years, Nepal government has increasingly recognized the needs to transform towards sustainable agriculture system in order to preserve available natural resources and improve livelihoods for rural populations. Promotion of organic agriculture first appeared as a priority in the 10th five-year plan of government of Nepal. Now it has been amended in the national agriculture policies and plans. With having almost 10,000 hectares of certified land and close to 1,000 farmers of Nepal. Organic agriculture provides benefit in terms of environmental protections, conservation of non-renewable resources, improved food systems and quality, improved health status, and the reorientation of agriculture towards area of market demand. Various institutions, individuals, and farmers are engaging in organic farming in Nepal. Nepal is exporting organic products to international markets. The adoption of organic agriculture increases the agricultural production and improves health of both soil and consumers, and seems to be a best option in countries like Nepal, where fortunately integrated crop livestock system is still prevalent. It is found to be a viable option towards food security and agricultural sustainability, and ultimately improves livelihoods in Nepal. However, there should be sufficient supply of inputs that serve as alternatives but needs adequate extension services and capacity building. The Himalaya event has brought together with policymakers, policy advisors, advocates, and researchers into a forum from the Himalayan region, and will be successful to create a working environment towards sustainable agriculture. It will be able to exchange innovative ideas and learning from each other, which will be able to develop action plans with common goals and objectives for improving livelihoods of the people in the hills and the rural context. Minister of Agriculture and Livestock Development, on behalf of Government of Nepal, is very much committed to work for preservation and the promotion of ecological and organic agriculture working together in the region. Hope the conclusion from this Himalaya event will produce relevant suggestions and will be feed into the food system summit to be held in the future. Wish you all the best and have productive time. Thank you so much.